People versus Joseph Spur. For the record, Mr. Jadala.
Respectfully, Your Honor, Sam Richardalla, P62186, MIDC counsel, appearing on behalf of Mr. Spur. Your Honor, for purposes of today's pretrial, I've had an opportunity to speak with Mr. Spur. There's been an offer where the original charge of operating while intoxicated is going to be reduced to operating while impaired. My client would like to avail himself to that plea. He understands the rights that he's waiving by pleading guilty today to the amended count of operating while impaired, Judge.
And do you understand that by pleading guilty to the impaired driving that you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice of rights form?
What was the last part, Judge?
That you're giving up your rights as listed in the advice of rights form. You're not going to have a trial or anything.
Yes.
You're going to give up those rights and you're going to plead guilty.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
is it true that on August the 9th of this year, you were in the city of Belleville and you had consumed alcohol before getting behind the wheel of the vehicle that you were in?
Yes, ma'am.
As a result of your consumption of alcohol, your ability to drive was impaired,
Yes, it was.
and you took a breathalyzer and blew above the legal limit.
Yes, I did.
Do you understand this plea?
Yes.
And is it voluntary?
Yes, it is.
Anybody promise you or threaten you to get you to plead guilty in this matter?
No, they did not.
I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. Anything else for the record before I go off and get his contact information?
Your Honor, just that if there's going to be any bond stipulations or anything, we just like the court to know in advance that Mr. Spur travels both around the country and internationally due to his job. He just
Okay.
wanted to be clear that that you understand that, Judge.
I won't prevent him from doing that.
Thank you,
All
Judge.
right, hang